This is an unboxing of a watch by a company called BingoFit. It's a smartwatch for men. Comes in a nice box. It works with the app called Fit Cloud Pro. It's available for iOS and Android. So that's the actual watch. Looks very nice. And you've got also a warranty card if you need any help, and there's instructions. So I've got the app ready, and this is the actual watch. Inside the box here, let's have a look, is the charge cable. It's a magnetic USB lead. So basically this, let's have a look. Right, so that clamps onto the back of the watch. You see the two gold things? It goes on there. Right, let's have a look at this lovely looking watch. Strap's very nice. With these straps you can change them. You've got what they call sliding lugs, so that makes it really easy to change. I've got the watch switched on, so you can synchronise and change the watch faces. So this is the app, like I said to you, it's called Fit Cloud Pro, and you've got the device. Pairing up's very, very simple. And then obviously you've got all different things that you can choose. Right hand, left hand, shape photography, continuous monitoring, drink water. It does quite a lot. It's quite a good app. And then obviously you set your account up. And then if you go to the device, and then you can change the style of it, which I'm going to be looking for. Dial settings is there. So there, you can see you've got quite a vast array of different watch faces to choose from, and just choose the one you like, press it, and then it will download and synchronise with the Bluetooth onto your watch. So this is the actual watch. I think it's quite nice. It does messages, sports, heart rate, blood pressure, messages, like I said to you before, sleep, QR code, music, stopwatch, settings, find your iPhone, language, display, vibration intensity, and then side scroll it. I think the graphics are very clear. There is a film protector on this at the moment. I like to keep film protectors on the watches, but that's me, everyone's different. Blood pressure monitoring, obviously I haven't got it on so it won't monitor. And then just press back, and you've got again options there. So is it easy to use? I think it's nice and easy. Very, very nice the way it works with the touch. So on this you can see obviously you've got your heart rate there. It's on the right time, which is good. I'll tell you something, I think for the money, compared to some of the top makes, I think this is a pretty decent watch. Does it look nice on the wrist? Let's have a look. Let's get this on. Excuse me while I'm putting this on. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks very nice actually. It's a nice 1.3 inch screen. Like I say, it looks good. It's nice and light, but it feels sort of quality. And I think for me, with all these sort of smartwatches, the most important thing is how effective it is and what it offers. And I think, like I say, it offers enough for the money. Also, to switch it off, I believe if you hold it in like that, you can actually turn it off. Thanks for watching this video, and it's the BingoFit smartwatch, and I'll put all the details up with the video.